obviously a base plate, and this piece is going to be a handle tool for it. Now, I didn't really want to go through. I had a piece, and you see me, and if you want this link, make this one is down there, as with all of the links. So I'll use this piece, the handle end, and this piece for the base. And so let's go ahead and get started on making a rivet set. Just take the beast here, and this will be obviously the bottom plate. Now I want it offset a little bit for close enough to the edge, so I'm going to put it right about there. And yes, that is very, very hot. So I'm going to go ahead and throw it back in and pull it out. So I can check it. So I need to get another tool. Let me go ahead and do that now. And yes, out of sheer habit, I turned it 180 degrees. Now what this has told me is that this tool is a little small, so I'm going to have to go re-edge it, re-profile it, come back and give this another whack. Obviously, we're in the binding room, and the tip here is a little uneven because, well, one side was fatter than the other, and it's slightly offset. So I'm going to basically just clean this up real quick, not take too much off, and then do the back end, and then voila. And then after that, there will be a demonstration on how it works and how to use it. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and turn the fans on and make it so that it's almost impossible to hear my voice. And then I'm going to wind this up. Alrighty then, this is the last step of me showing you how to do this. I just happen to have, and I'm hoping that the sound quality is sufficient enough that I can tweak with it without having to learn how to do major to it. But for now, this is what it is. It's fairly quiet, so hopefully I can talk through it. Anyway, this is a pair of plyo tongs that I was working on that I was going to at this point, there's so much that's wrong with them that I don't have the time to try and save them. So I'm just going to use them as my riveting example. And basically, you just take your rivet. At least I use manufactured rivets. the standard. Now I don't remember if it's 1.5 times the diameter for cold, because there's a equation that says if it's 2.5 or 2 for hot, and 1.5 for cold, the diameter is how much space you give it. I'm just going to err on the side of caution. This rivet is cut with about a little over 1.5 of its diameter in length, give or take. Once you get your pieces signed up, that's something I'm going to have to work on too. I'll make sure everything's set the way you want it. Now, usually you don't want to throw things onto the floor. And I'm thinking that in this case, it probably was 2 times, because I don't know if I bring this in so you can see. Right here is the side I was working on. It's about the same height as the manufacturer's side, but I'm just not quite there on it. So next time I do this, it will be 2.5 or 2 times the diameter. But as you can see, all riveted in place and all happy and dandy. Anyway, I want to thank you for joining me. And next episode is going to be a blacksmith talk. So I hope to see you there. And remember, you're all wonderful people. Till next time.